Hi, I'm Rapolio, a cabbage alien, and I'm a bottom in Valorant. Nice to meet you. In Valorant, huh? Not in real life, you sussy baka.
Ready for a hardcore action? You better be, because Kormaru will deliver the absolute
Are you
top
ready,
you'll
kids?
ever get.
Hello everyone, I'm Zert Concept, a Filipino college student VTuber and a part-time librarian.
What's up? My name's Rain, your newbie VTuber and trying hard gamer. I stream a variety of stuff like
I
games,
can't
Minecraft,
hear you!
Life, and many more.
Hello mates, this is Noir Arcanlight, calling you all from the 95th dimension.
Greetings. You may refer to me as Shiro, a Deathwalker, if you're curious.
Hello. I'm Ayasha, but you can also call me Aya. Your celestial to a VTuber that plays lots of games.
Let's do this.
Good morning!
Oh.
Wake up! Wake up!
Matik lang.
Wake up!
Wala na.
Okay, let's go. We're here.
What's up?
What's up, everybody?
Hello.
What's up?
Hi, we're 3D.
Hi. Oh, what's
3D.
You might put
Hi, we're 3D. Hey, what happened?
Put yung katawa ko. Oh my God.
Ba't ka nakayuko, pre? Uy, ba't ka nakayuko? Uy,
Ayos yung katawa ko. Oh my God, bro.
pre, inayos ko na yun for kanina. Uy.
Starting hot. We are starting hot, everyone.
Yeah, bro. It's not my fault. I promise. Anyways, welcome guys for Team Seed debut. I'm here with Step Bro number 1 and Step Bro number 2. And we are going to introduce ourselves, of course. But before that, what do you think? What do you think of our 3D debut? You like it? You wanna see somebody dance?
This is somebody dance. What?
You wanna see somebody dance? Go Zerk, go. Give us your dance number.
Huh?
Give us your dance number.
Maybe.
Show us your moves. Show us your moves. There we go.
Wow. Diba?
Hey!
Tumbling daw, tumbling.
Ito, tabling.
Putol pa yung katawa ko ng Polyo. Hindi ko
Okay.
alam bakit.
Ano? Bakit?
Hey!
I'm watching the stream right now. Putol siya.
No, it's not. Is it?
Hey, tumambling na ako.
No, bro, it's not.
It is.
No,
I'm
not
telling you, bro.
not in my end, bro.
It is, bro. Bro, fix it,
Pero
bro.
ako yung kawawa dito.
What do you mean, bro?
Watch the stream, bro.
I'm already there, bro. I don't see anything.
Are you sure, bro? Like,
Yeah, I'm on
seeing it
phone.
now. Like,
I'm on phone.
bro, why are you on phone, bro?
Wala nagkagulo.
Oh, okay, I see it.
Yeah.
I see it. Hold on.
Yeah, Polyo.
Hold on. Okay, I bring you down. Oh, there you go.
Yay, sumayaw na ako. Okay na yun, di ba?
Okay, and bigger.
Sumayaw na ako.
Sorry, bro. I didn't
Maganda
see.
ako.
What a start. What a
Gets na,
start,
gets na.
everyone.
Yeah, it's good.
Grabe. Nag-pixelated na ako.
It's okay. It's gonna load back. There we go. There go. What happened here? Why does it look like that on stream? Wait, hold on. What a start, bro. What a
Naging
start.
pixelated na ako.
I-open mo yung mismo.
Diba? Diba, guys? Oh, ano yun?
Ginagamit, yung browser mo. I-open mo yung browser mo. Give mo priority.
Oh,
Okay.
me? Rap is my father. 5% stock, bro.
That is my father. 5% plus 5% stock. Itignan ko yung sapang dito. Kiting guys.
Ayaw nyo mag-ano. Hindi ko alam bakit. I tried.
May phone dito May phone dito. Ito.
Have you picked HD? Let's go. Oh my god. First part of the stream, bro. Technical difficulties.
Diba?
Let's go.
Let's go, everyone.
Let's go. Clap.
Balita
Let's
ko may
go.
pole dancing. Sabi daw ni Rain. Meron?
You know?
Pole
Pole dancing na agad. Wala pa nga. Grabe. Okay na ba? Sige na, simulan na tayong introduction.
Ano ba?
Kanino pa tayo dito?
Introduction na tayo. Ano ba yung
Introduction, grabe naman yun. 5 minutes tayo na
Ano?
nag-ano tayo.
comedy, ganun?
Ay, may hindi pa na smite.
Oh.
Ano,
Ayan,
delete natin.
Palo.
Ayan, smite pa siya.
Bye-bye.
Sa amin.
Bye-bye. Anyways, that's a long opening statement. Not gonna lie.
Diba, guys?
By the way, we're 3D. Just kidding. Anyways, I'm gonna start with our individual introduction. I guess I'll be the first, maybe. You want to go first? You know me? Okay, me?
Ikaw na.
Nobody want to take the
Come
ball.
Leader?
Me? Okay, me.
Leader
Fine.
sama.
Fine. Okay, hi guys. I'm Repolyo and I'm a bottom. Nice to meet you. You're welcome. I mean in games. Okay, in game. Basically, I'm a cabbage alien from Planet Cabbage, and I mainly play competitive FPS, even though I suck at it. That's hence bottom. I also play fighting games like Tekken, and from time to time story games as well. And I also do paranormal investigation streams. So nice to meet you. If you guys wanna see anything scary, you'll see the announcement later anyways. Not now. Too early. And who's next? Chat. Choose step bro 1, step bro 2. You guys decide who goes next.
What are you looking at? Why are you looking at my
Tatago
Under.
lang ako dito sa ilalim.
Who goes first? What? Wait,
Why are you looking at my thing here, Repolyo?
I'm leaning forward, bro. Step bro 1. Okay, Zerk, step bro 1, let's go.
Ay, ako pala yung step bro 1.
Yes, you're step bro 1.
Step bro.
Hindi kay Conte. Okay, step bro 1 na. Ako
Step bro one,
na. So,
yeah.
hello! Hi! Hi! Ako nga pala si Zor Concept. Isa akong human na part-time librarian. So, ilang ginagawa ko sa umaga, librarian ako, pero paggabi, makita niyo ako dyan sa tabi-tabi o kaya dun sa mismong library or otherwise known as yung headquarters ko. Nagde-devise ako ng master plan ko.
Anong master plan natin?
Ano yan?
Yan ang to be revealed pa lang yan, hindi ko pa pwedeng sabihin.
Ay, di ba? Sayang.
Siyempre, bawal natin ano yung master plan.
Wala tayong
Ano
sabihin.
booking, eh. Pang
Ay,
villain, pang villain arc ko yun.
Wala bang clue?
Pang villain arc ko yun.
Villain arc pala. Ay.
Tapos marami akong alam na yung random knowledge. Ganun ako
Anong
paano.
knowledge yun?
May mabasa ako dito, may
Anong knowledge
mabasa
yun?
ako dun.
Um,
Basta random.
Baka kung
Most
ano
likely may
knowledge
masasabi ako kung ano-ano.
sige
Pag
nga.
may tinanong ka, most likely may sasabihin ako tungkol dun.
Sige nga. What is
Wag yun na ako i-test.
the exact amount of fire?
Alam ko yan.
Sige nga.
Ito. Alam ko pag binaligtad yung pi yun eh. So pag yung kabaligtaran ng E is 3, yung kabaligtaran ng I 1, tapos bali 3.14, di ba?
Tapos?
Kabisado ko yan.
Sige nga. Tail 10 digits.
2.1415 na. Ayun. 165 ba?
Wala na.
1.141528.
Paano na tayo dito?
Yes, yung pi.
Wala ko lang yung pie, yung pizza pie yung binibili sa tabi.
Yung
Ayan,
pati.
Yung tig 70 pesos, buy one take one, may kasamang ipis. You're welcome.
Yes.
Alam ko yung
Also
tip
pala,
ko,
also, wait lang.
baka hindi ko pwede sabihin sa stream.
It's not ban na to, it's not ban. Speedrun na ba to? Speedrun. Okay.
Also pala, player ako ng Genshin ng Mihoyo Games. So currently Genshin and Zen Less Than Zero. Yes, also Valorant player din ako. Then Monhan, ATS, o American Truck Sim, Euro Truck Sim, Need for Speed Unbound. Then soon, Forza Horizon 4. Magpa-farming simulator din ako. Magsasaka tayo. Antayin yun.
Kala ko sasababal yung buong Steam library mo, pre.
Sorry.
Hinihintay ko eh.
Ay, gusto
Saan
Sige.
isang mabayan? Wag na, pre.
Magiging architect din tayo, magiging engineer, magiging mechanic tayo. Sige.
Engineer.
Grabe guys, no? Grabe no.
Alam mo yung engineer, pre? Alam mo yung engineer, specialty ni Inuman?
Hindi, pre.
Hindi
Yung
pa.
magaling magano yung babaliktad yung bote si Cindy.
Oo, diba? Alam mo pala eh. Ikaw pala.
Siyempre, random na alam ko yan eh.
Sheesh. Anyways, moving on to our Step Bro 3, Kornmaru. Look at his abs, you're welcome.
Sorry, I was busy there. Yeah.
Kung sasayaw na yan.
Sa'yo na ba ako?
Sayaw na yan.
Doon ako locker.
Uy.
Lagi sa mga VTuber na concert, gumagano na sila.
Teka, pasapal mga mamaya ng ano mo.
Gaganon.
The Eagle mo, Corn, The Eagle.
Ganun.
Wala pa nga tayo introduction, sa makasayaw na nga eh. Bilis
Oh,
niya.
tayo na yun. Di ba, syempre, we are excited to see our
We're excited.
great
Yes.
guest here.
Na-delay kasi tayo eh. Excited.
Yeah.
Na-delay natin kasi we were nervous. Yan.
Kakagad po ba si Kormaru? Mamaya.
Mamaya.
I wish, di ba? Anyways, welcome everyone to Connect Cafe. But Connect Cafe, what?
Ay.
Connect Cafe, everyone. Welcome. I am Kormaru. I'm a corn. Wow. Ayun. Yun na lang, sige.
Oy. May,
Oy,
hindi. May meron ka pa. Meron ka pa ang backstory. Oh. Yung side job mo sa gabi, sabihin mo na.
Wait lang.
Walang ganunan.
Ay, sige yan ako.
Meron ka
Medyo,
pa sabihin, di ba, Corn?
ready na ba kayo, guys? Are you guys ready
Yes,
for a hardcore action?
Yes, Daddy! Nawala eh.
Nawala tuloy ako sa ano.
Cadence niya.
Si Repolyo kasi, guys. Repolyo kasi.
Sira ulo po ako.
Ayun. Ready na ba kayo sa hardcore action? Gusto nyo bang makatim na mainit na mais? Would you like to abang English? Feel, yun. Feel. Would you like to feel a very hot corn? Well, look no further because the cornist is here to give you guys a great show here in Connect Cafe, right here, everyone. Because we are gonna go down, we are gonna take some pounding later on, and then we're gonna cream all over the Connect Cafe.
Connect
Because
Cafe.
that's me, Kormaru.
Cafe sa umaga, bar sa gabi. Let's go!
Let's go, right there. Totoo ba yun? may dungeon daw sa baba ng ano natin, ng cafe natin. Totoo ba yun?
May dungeon ba? Asa yung dungeon?
Yung dungeon?
May dungeon?
Oh,
Sino ito torture?
May nakaalam na pala nun?
ewan ko. Ikaw nagplano, di ba? Ikaw nagplano ng natin, cafe natin, tapos
Ako ba? Pre, wala akong malalong dungeon. Ano sasabi mo? pre?
nakita ko, chat. I kid you not, chat. Nakita ko, like, I went to see the, like, I was like looking around sa Connect Cafe. Tapos may nakita kong hidden door dun sa kusina. And when I went there, it's like, there's like a hidden dungeon underground Connect Cafe.
Pre, yan yung entrance natin sa side job natin. Wag mo na i-reveal,
Entrance?
pre. Wag mo na i-reveal yung side job natin. Yung side hustle.
I didn't sign up for this, Repolyo.
Pre, we're just cooking stuff. We're cooking something. Yes. No comment.
The only cafe I like is where they sell cat-shaped cakes.
We have corn-shaped cakes. It's also hard as a corn. You want?
Hindi mo makain na. Sobrang tigas di mo makain na.
It's so hard you can throw it at your enemies and they'll get damage.
Dami nagchat natin. Hello guys pala. Welcome everyone watching.
Hi.
Astra. We have Astra here. We have Turbo Pumpsters, Rain Downfall. We have
Hero.
Inom
Hero
Kama.
Maya.
Inom Kama. And Yukino Spin, Rin 18. And Nemo CH. And then we have Sino isa? Hero. Yes, Hero.
Si Hiramei.
Nakita ko si Hero, ano yun eh. Ako nakita yun sa stream ni Repolyo din.
Si Ayasha.
Yeah, siya.
Yes, yes.
Yasho.
And a bunch of other people who are just tuning in. Hello.
Yeah. Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
So,
We're 3D.
no, Repolyo.
What?
We gotta do like every cafe does, right? Like Meat Cafe does.
My Morkion?
You know it.
My Morkion?
You know it.
100 bits for my Morkion.
May nakalimutan lang ako sa labas. May
wait.
may nakalimutan lang ako sa labas. Wait,
100
kukunin ko
bits,
lang.
100 bits. 10 subs for my Morkion.
Minasan.
May surprise offer.
Surprise ba tayo? Okay, what's next?
Okairi nasai.
Ay.
O Diyos sama.
Sige nga, sample. Ikaw lang yata makamawikin sa atin eh.
Yeah.
Sige nga. Do it.
Wala.
Do it.
Wait lang.
Sa mid na siya.
May ano yun may dagdag flavor
Para ba? Wait lang. Para ba yan?
Atashi wa no more Morkion.
Ay, joke lang.
Ano ba yan? Anata no heart to wa no more Morkion.
Ano to no? Di ba kayo
More
Nico yun?
Why not?
Nico.
Tara mo
Diba?
lang.
Ay, Moy kin lang.
Sige. may ganun pag may dapping effect may dapping effect yung bubo May ganun pa.
Sorry. Sorry.
Pero habang humubo, may sayaw pa
Moe, cute.
Okay, thank you guys for watching the stream. Okay, guys. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Enjoyed. And this is going to be Team WC. We're ending now. Thank you.
We're ending.
thank you.
Bye-bye. We're gonna read. Kakasimula lang, ending na agad. Galing.
Read na tayo.
Okay.
Please check out yung read natin. Please our read message.
Brave message, Courts Murmur Quick Tune is kawaii.
Cringe.
Grabe.
Cringe, bro. Cringe.
Wala.
Ikaw na lang, Zir. Ikaw na. I did my thing. Okay, Zir. Ikaw, Zir. Anong gagawin mo?
Hindi ko kaya yan, wala akong kamay.
Pre,
Bakit ako, Zir? Pwede ka na mag-transform,
mamaya na yan, pre.
Kaya ko mag-transform?
Sige na, go.
May powers ako?
Oo.
Bilis.
Feel ko may powers ka na, other than being
Lapit.
librarian.
Ganto. Hindi ko magawa yun sa kamay. Something
Yan
like
na.
this.
Say na. Watch this.
Henshin!
Yan na.
Hay
Bye.
nako.
Behold, Sir Concept, the white power stranger.
White
Stranger ako.
power stranger.
Power stranger pa rin. Para hindi tayo mag-copyright, pre. Para walang copyright. Power stranger.
Power stranger.
Baka mana tayo ng
Welcome, Sky Nerd.
Hi, Sky
Welcome to
Nerd.
the cafe.
Ito lang. Eso natin si
Ayan.
Skyner.
This ako.
Ulit nga, Zir.
Tapos na nga yung ginagawa niya na eh.
Kung walang kamay kasi hindi ko manin sa kamay. Ayaw mabasa yung kamay kasi. Iba yung heart
Tinin,
sa card ko.
tinin.
Ayaw mabasa yung kanay, pre. Kulang sa midnight action yan, pre.
DJ!
Henshin! Mercy go.
Power Stranger 3D. Imagine, di ba? Imagine, meron ganong What if, di ba? What if?
What if? Connect Cafe Power Stranger coming soon on Netflix. 2020
Amazon
something.
Prime.
Amazon Prime? Hindi na uso yun. Basura yun. Netflix na lang. Tinis
Fine.
na agad. Di mo lang magawa eh.
Diba?
Bakit?
Diba, guys? Pero we're glad to see everyone here again, by the way. Sa mga bumalik dito from our... Did you guys watch last debut, by the way? They
No.
were amazing too.
Yes.
You should, by the way, you should guys check out our YouTube channel din. Kung gusto nyo makita yung VODs ng past debuts. Yeah.
Yes. Watch them or else I'll go to your house and eat all your food inside your fridge. You're welcome.
Ilalagay daw kayo ni Repolyo dun sa dungeon kanina.
Ay, dungeon.
Yes.
Pre, hindi yung dungeon yan. Lutuan ng ewan yan. Side business natin yan, pre. Side business. Sa Tondo.
Ano pala yun, no?
Lutuan ng
Sa
ano
akin
yan.
yung susi nun eh. Sa
Med,
akin yung susi nun.
lutuan ng medical stuff. Ayan na. Barely legal.
Barely legal.
Medical stuff. Straight from the mountains of Payatas. Laboratory.
Ayun.
Alam ko kapag gusto nyo na access doon na sa akin
Hey,
yung
everyone.
susi. Kapag gusto
Ano
nyo
pala?
ko kayo doon.
Ayun.
Itutor guide na natin sa dungeon daw.
Wait.
Ay.
Tutor guide na
Everyone, by
sila.
the way. Let's give ano pala si Astra Ivara.
Happy
ng
birthday.
birthday.
Ay. Kakanta dapat tayo, pre. Kakanta tayo, pre.
Kanda natin. Siyempre kanda natin.
Anong version, pre? May Agassi version, may Lasinggero version, may normal version. Ano ba gusto mo?
Ayun.
Yung happy
Astra, anong
birthday
gusto mo?
papunta sa Mahiwagang Bati.
Hindi ko alam yun, pre.
Ano yun?
First part, happy birthday din, Mahiwagang Bati.
Pero hindi ko alam, pre. Hindi ko alam yun.
Mahiwagang Bati. Hindi ko alam.
Tagalog version. Gusto
Ano
ni
naman?
Asta Cash. Welcome.
Cash.
Ay, cash pala. Ay. Saka lang muna. Bentayin natin yung barely legal medicine natin sa dungeon. Saka lang muna. I-call ko yung aking ano.
Kunin ka.
I-contact ko yung
Kukunin
aking
mo.
ano ko, yung aking distributor.
This distributor.
Tawagin ko muna yung bata ko. Yung boy ko.
Buuin nyo yung happy birthday. Buuin daw natin yung happy
Doon?
birthday.
Anong English ba? Ano daw? Buuin nyo yung happy birthday na, ano?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. English na lang, pre, para hindi tayo mahirapan. Para
Yeah,
tayo
happy birthday.
Let's give a English ano.
Sige na nga.
Happy
Ready?
na birthday mo pa.
Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy na birthday mo pa. Alam ko yung Agassi, ha? Kala mo, hindi ako gumawa ng cover niyan, ha? Kala mo, ha?
Sige, kanta na tayo. Kanta na seryoso na guys.
Sige. English,
Seryoso
ha?
natin.
English, ha?
Everyone
English, ha?
sing along with us.
Sige nga.
Our first ever song in this concert, Connect Cafe concert.
Disclaimer, I'm not going to pay for your medical bills in case your ears get destroyed. For legal reasons. Sige nga. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday.
to you.
Ano yung invitala? Para tayong lasing.
Grabe to.
Nag-aantayan tayo.
Pero para tayo nakainom tayo ng 10 boteng tatak pa to, ha?
Okay na yan. Normal lang sa
Ah,
atin.
dali na kasi.
Sige, right?
Tutuloy-tuloy ko lang. Tindahin to. Sige.
Sige. 1, 2, 3, go. Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday to you. Happy birthday
to you.
Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday, Astra.
Happy birthday, Astra. Happy
Happy
birthday
birthday,
to you.
Astra. To you.
Pero kailangan natin ng singing lessons. Ano nangyari?
Tinanggal ko yung headset ko para hindi masira yung cables ko.
Grabe naman yan. Ano nangyari? Pero pala tayong lasing.
Siyempre, diba? Sa party tayo ni Astra.
Ay, Nasu!
Si Nasu! Uy. Ayun, may
Welcome to the
taas.
street.
PLBC na lang ng Jollibee mamaya, Astra. Ng PLBC na lang.
5 minutes. Astra, salamat sa lechon, ha, Astra.
Ay, salamat daw. Guys, nagpakain si Astra.
Gusto ko tenga para pwede isisig.
Tenga. Ay, manang utak.
Niya ako, pre.
Para tumas yung IQ natin lahat.
Para higop na lang.
Welcome,
Sarap.
Nasu.
Welcome.
Astra. Happy birthday, Astra, ulit. And salamat sa pakain mo.
Mga Astra. Salamat sa pagkain, Astra.
Hmm.
Salamat sa jacket. Ay, hindi pala. Si Kuya Wood pala yun. Sorry.
Yun ba yun?
Di si Atar yun.
Get a jacket yan!
Yan na, Jackie yan!
Get a jacket yan! Anyways, napatagal tayo sa ano natin introduction.
Siyempre.
Ay, wala na.
Nag-enjoy natin. Nag-enjoy tayo sa ano yung
Thank you,
mga
sponsor,
tao natin
sponsor.
dito.
Ay, may sponsor pala. Kono Bandom na iwa.
Ano mamaniwa? Yorano sponsor o de? O Christmas.
Ay, memorize niya, oh.
Siyempre.
Anyways, next agenda na tayo pa rin. Parang napano tayo 30 minutes na pagka kung ano naman sinasabi na natin dito, ha. Naging ano
Pero
na,
we
naging business na, shady business, ha. Anyways, moving on tayo sa ano na, get to know Team
Ano?
C.
Get to know na ba?
Get to know na tayo. Kanina pa tayo get to know nandito eh.
Get to know ba?
Bali.
I think we pansin ko hindi na mention yung about Connect Cafe. What is this about talaga?
Ayaw nga pala, no?
Di ba?
Hindi ba na-mention
So,
sa
I think,
Team A at Team B? So tayo na lang tayo
Hindi nga
mag-mention.
eh. Dumiretso agad sila sa introduction ng sarili nila.
Buti
Pero-
na sinabi mo kasi wala sa isip ko eh. Biglang,
Yeah, we're gonna do it now, everyone.
ay.
So, sino ba tayo? Sino ba yung Connect Cafe? Who are we?
Kulto, ay, sorry.
So,
Joke lang.
Repolyo guys, Repolyo.
Ay po, si Raulo po ako.
So, Connect Cafe, everyone. Connect Cafe. May idea ka ba, Repolyo? Ano yung Connect Cafe?
Para... Ay, Zerk! Ano ginagawa mo?
Wala.
Kita ko yan. Uy!
Wala.
Para ko ma-explain. Nagiging ano to. Ibang stream na to, pre. Ano to,
Ikaw kasi,
pre?
sandal ka ng sandal sa akin eh.
Anong sandal ko na sumasandal sa akin eh.
Sumasan
Oo kayo, di ba Corn?
Grabe
Diba, chat?
naman kayo.
Kaya pa siya sumasandal eh.
Joke
Dito
lang,
raw
pero
medyo...
deep lang, pero medyo lang.
Grabe naman kayo. Ano na ba? Connect Cafe na ba?
Connect Cafe, ano yung Connect Cafe?
Ano ba yung Connect Cafe? Zerk? Sige nga.
Yes. Ito.
Ginawa niyo
Connect
ba
Cafe
homework niyo?
is where connectors can connect with people.
Tama.
Ang galing ko.
Ay, saan yung galing cafe vibe?
We're resident librarian, everyone.
Yes, Resident Librarian. Sige nga, yung pie ulit.
Kalati nga ako yun.
3.14. Yun lang alam ko eh.
3.1416 yung naging manananggal na
mananggal.
si Korn. Nakaano siya, gawa
Ayan,
siya eh.
kalati pa rin ako eh. Yung kay Repolyo.
Pre, zoom out ka pre, zoom out ka.
Pre, hindi sa zoom out, pre.
Pre, binababa na kita eh.
Nakita ko yun sa yun, sa live.
Ah,
Doon
sige.
Sa OBS.
Ito lang muna.
Kita pa rin sa OBS.
Ayan, hindi ka naman nananggal. Ayan, okay na ba?
Kalati pa rin.
Hindi, kasi yung position mo nakaano ka eh.
Yung position niya, ha?
Position.
Hindi kalati yun. Belt ni Korn yan. Pants ni Korn yan. Tinan mo, zoom out ka.
Ay,
Hindi yun kalati. Pants mo yan, pre. Zoom out ka. Pakita mo lang.
Ay, hindi nakalutang siya, Repolyo.
nakalutang nga ako.
Tignan mo. Zoom ka sa ayun
Kita-kita
sa
sa kayo sa
kanya.
stream. Ayun, kita rin dyan sa OBS mo. O Streamlabs mo.
Pre, di ko lang bakit, pre. Kala ko inayos ka na
Baba
yan.
mo si Corn konti.
Yan.
Hindi nagbabago eh. Oh. Transition ka. Pindutin mo yung transition.
Sabagay. Kanina pa.
Hindi kasi nagle-reflect eh.
Ayan. Okay na ba?
Ayun! Ayun, tapos. Okay na.
Kanina ka pa eh.
Ayay!
Ayan. Manananggal Corn.
Yung abs ni
Abs.
Corn.
Yan.
Ay, manan.
Ano yan? 8 packs na kernel.
Ay, sige nga.
Corn on a cub.
Corn na kam.
Kernel na camp.
Para ibang title na yun yung nakikita natin sa yung mga pinapalabas sa may ICTA sa recto, sa top floor. Mga ganun na title. Alam niyo na mga taga
Ayan
Unibelt.
na yun, guys.
Alam niyo na.
Ayan na yun.
Yun na yun. Alam yung mga taga Unibelt yun,
Okay.
alam nila.
Let's go with Connect Cafe. Huwag na natin with some.
Connect Cafe. Basically, anong sub-means
Understand.
ulit? Connect Cafe because Connect, we want to connect with our audience, and Cafe because we want to have a chill vibe like a cafe. Kaya,
Tama.
yan mo yung sa likod natin, cafe. No?
Tama.
Cyberpunk Cafe. Tapos meron tayong Bossa Nova playing in the background kasi cafe. The most generic thing I could think of.
Lahat yan.
Eh.
May entertainment tayo rin sa Connect Cafe.
Oo.
Which we actually say that we have variety of entertainment for you guys to enjoy. Meron tayong repolyo. Meron tayong mais. Meron tayong pineapple. Meron tayong
Tinapay.
pusa. Yun, tinapay.
Meron
Di ba ang
tayong...
dami?
Anong owl sa Tagalog?
Ha?
Owl.
Owl? Quago.
Wago. Owl na lang. Bakit naman tingin sa Tagalog? Meron tayong owl. Meron tayong ballerina. Meron tayong
Diba?
bears and paano na-mention natin.
So what are you guys waiting for? Come
Meron-
join Connect Cafe.
Meron tayo, kamatayan. Si Shiro. Kamatayan, di ba? Grim Reaper.
Hindi, ano yun? Tag doon?
Night si Shiro eh.
Revenants.
Same thing.
Revenant.
Same thing.
Waiting for the dance. Yun. That's the hinihintay nila, guys.
Kapatapos na yun.
Tapos meron tayong farmer. Yeah, noir.
Ayan.
Dance talaga.
So, Connect Cafe, everyone, is a VTuber group na ni-start namin noong June 12. 12 ba? Or 6? Pumunta ko na eh.
Hindi ko alam eh.
6 ata. Basta noong June, noong early June,
Basta June.
this year. And we have a lot of plans for Connect Cafe that you guys are gonna be enjoying rin, mga nanonood dito. And everyone who's gonna be part of Connect Cafe. Yeah. We have a lot of things for you guys to
Enjoy.
enjoy. Yeah. Or
For example, kape sa umaga, bar sa gabi. Yan, enjoy na enjoy tayo dyan.
di ba?
All around.
Di ba? Di ba?
All ages, all ages.
They just So, yun. It's a Connect Cafe is a VTuber group na official siya. Hindi siya yung parang ano siya, gaming na ano lang. So, we really plan to make our name out there.
Someday,
So,
someday,
VTuber group.
someday
Yeah,
magiging guest kami ng Cosmania someday. Abangan nyo yan.
Is our goal ba?
Our
Kala ko yung boot din.
Mabot din.
Kasi yung si Repolyo dun, guys.
Oo.
Mapapanood nyo sa con.
Yes.
Sumasayaw.
Mga dati ko lang pastel sasayo gagawin ko. Pag nangyari yan.
Marami siya yung...
Tapos years later nangyari, grabe back out ka agad ako sa word ko, no? Instant back out, no? Tapos clinip na lang. Ay, ito yung sinabi mo last year.
Lo.
Hello.
So, yeah, tama naman si Repolyo. Connect Cafe, we have plans like that. Like, someday we plan to be part, or yung goal namin is to be part of or be in the convention, anime convention in the Philippines, and make our own merch of our members and be out there. Talaga.
Ay,
Yun yung ano. That's Connect Cafe.
ala, tinatin ako
At the
ni
same
Hana.
time, clip na natin.
Ay, ay.
If you just want to clip.
Kiklip na yung sinabi ko kanina.
Yeah, clip nyo yun, guys. Clip nyo yun. Clip it, chat. So, Connect Cafe, everyone. Hope you guys enjoy Connect Cafe's deliver for you guys. And we have a lot again. Oh,
Hala, bakit?
yun.
Nag-link.
Link. Uh-oh.
Hindi kasi nanghingi yung permission.
Masyadong nag-iwan yung permission.
Matampuhin si Nightbot. Sensitive siya.
Oo nga eh. Di ba, okay lang
Naging
yan.
masyadong ano. So, ayun. So, we in Connect Cafe, we plan to as well to make our members grow and build with us. So, hindi lang siya parang one-man team ganun. So, we plan to have more people with us and grow with us. Yeah.
Yes.
Tama.
Sabi ni Corn. Basta,
Ano naman siya.
basta, huwag niyo kalimutan yung side business namin ha. We're looking for customers ha. Contact Zerconcept at twitch.tv/Zerconcept. Alam mo na saan makita yung goods natin na hidden sa dungeon natin. Okay. Tama na yung ads.
Feel ko binigyan ng responsibility na hindi ko alam na.
You're welcome.
Bigla nagkaroon ng responsibility.
Anyways, okay, tapos na tayo sa introduction entirely. Kasama na yung Connect Cafe. Na feature ko, guys. Well.
Yun lang.
Okay, let's go to the next act, which is getting to know Team C, which is our hobbies. If you
Hobby.
Yes, what do we do if we're not streaming? Basically. So, who wants to go first? Ako yung nauna kanina. Iba naman. Sina. Step bro 1, step bro 3. Sino step? Actually, step bro 3, step bro 2.
Welcome
back, hero.
Welcome back.
Teka sa mauna kayong dalawa. Hobbies lang. Ginagawa nyo. Aside stream. Ako na naman yung... Oh, ikaw na una.
Sige, ako kapag di ako nag-stream, gusto mo malaman ko ng ginagawa ko, pre?
Hobby. Mamaya, sasabihin mo, illegal stuff, ha? Wala nang pong ganun.
Hindi pala, ikaw naman ako. Pag-isip muna ako hobby ko.
Mag-isip muna ako ng hobby ko.
Ginagawa
Sabi mo, bawal daw yung illegal stuff eh.
Illegal ka namin.
Ikaw muna, Repolyo.
Kapag hindi ako nag-stream, naggagawa ako ng gagawa lang ako assignments. Other than streaming, wala naman akong ginagawa sa bahay unless school stuff, but
Pre, hobby, hindi obligation,
Yeah,
pre. Hobby,
Ano yung
obligation
ginagawa
yan,
ko?
pre.
hobbies ko yun.
May nakita ko pang estudyante na gusto gumawa ng assignment. First time ko makita ang ganun na tao, ah.
Ay, ako yun eh.
Yun yung hobby niya.
Ay, ako yun eh. Gusto ko lagi ako may ginagawa
Yun,
para sa
yun.
school. Kasi strive for the best ako sa school.
Diba?
Sana ikaw
Ngayon,
yung classmate ko.
Other than that, kapag wala naman ng yung sa lalaro lang rin ng Genshin. Genshin I don't stream
Ayun,
much.
gaming.
But yun.
Playing
Gaming
Genshin.
lang ako ng Genshin.
There you go. That's a hobby.
Yes, school ko hobby rin yan.
What a hot take.
Ano yun?
No.
Genshin is an obligation. Boom.
Ha?
Yes, okay, next.
You're just gonna leave us like that? Okay.
Cliffhanger?
Yan lang ba? Yun lang ba yung ginagawa mo? Assignment, Genshin, outside streaming? Wala bang music dyan?
Oh, baka music, diba?
Oo, taste mo sa music.
Wala pa.
Wala pa ba?
Diba?
Wala pa.
Diba, Repolyo?
May plano
Okay.
lang pero wala.
Diba,
Hindi ka ba nanonood ng anime, pre? Hindi ka nagbabasa ng manhwa, webtoon, manga?
So far, hindi na ako nanonood ng anime eh.
Why not?
Kasi nabasa ko na yung manga niya eh.
Eh, di manga, yun no, hobby o manga. Hindi mo sinabi kanina.
Pastime ko ang manga eh.
Diba, Repolyo?
That's what a hobby is. It's a pastime, bro.
Lumaki ako.
Pastime ko ang pag-study sa school.
Pastime ba yun? Parang hindi yun pastime. You're required to do that, pre. That's not a hobby.
Hindi.
Tama naman to. Grabe naman. Masyado tong studies yung ating librarian dito.
Diba? Study yung hobby
student
niya.
ako. Ako kasi model student.
Models
Oo,
na.
diba?
Ay.
Siya yung sa anime na
Siya yung sa Korean, si Oppa Zerk. Oppa Zerk!
Ayaw nilang mahilig ka sa school. si Repolyo lang yun.
Hindi kasi. Studying is not a hobby. Studying is an obligation. Sinong gustong mag-study ng buong buhay niyo? Hobby nga, hobby. What you like to do, pre. Your pastime, pre. When you're bored, pre. I never know somebody said, I study in school as a hobby. First time ko marinig sa buong buhay ko. To be honest. Ikaw yung pinaka-first ko narinig ganyan yung hobby niya.
Yes.
Now I love studying.
First time ako. Sa akin man narinig.
Tapos na ako sa study, hindi na ako babalik dyan.
O, diba?
Pwede mo
Graduate
tayo
na
mag-study,
ako.
Hindi iwanan ng
Polyo.
study.
Iniwan
Diba,
ko na.
Repolyo?
Tagal na ako graduate. Ayoko
Polyo,
na.
Polyo.
Oh,
Pwede tayo mag-study. If you want.
pre,
Sawa ko dyan.
pre. Tama na yung BL, pre. Pre. Nagiging BL na to, pre. Oy.
Bablush si Repolyo, guys. We can see it.
Sige.
Umula si Repolyo.
Umalis na kayo dyan, pre.
Eee.
Uy. Wala akong takas dito, uy. 2 boys, 1 cabbage.
Uy, wala ko dyan. That's way too far, pre.
Pero pag Mateos na tayo, grabe ka naman. Kakasimula lang nagawa na to.
But yes, to clarify, madaling salita, hobbies ko is gaming and listening to music.
There we go.
There we go.
Alright. Okay.
Card.
Cheap. Hobby, right? Hobby. Hobby ko.
Huwag mo sabihin studying ulit, ha?
I love studying.
Yes, let's go, Cord.
Okay, guys.
Samahan mo ako, Cord.
Thank you for watching. Let's go raid somebody.
Anyways, ayun nga. Hobby ko. Ano ba hobby ko? My hobby is drawing. I like to draw.
Yeah, that's a hobby.
And for other hobbies, I also do cosplays and ano pa ba? Binubuli ko si Repolyo. Yan. Hobby ko rin yan.
Okay, moving on. Wala nang waiting dyan, pre, ha? Wala na akong laban dyan, pre, ha?
And Repolyo, ikaw.
Ano ba? My hobby
Walang
is
reaction.
I like throwing things on the wall with a ball. Joke lang. Joke lang. No. Joke.
I mean, that could be a great hobby, you know. You throw balls.
Trouble.
Gusto mo ng balls?
Oh, balls. Throw
Sort of
balls.
balls.
Ball.
Ayoko na.
Hilig ko pala sa balls. Hilig ko pala sa balls, ha?
Pre, family friendly tayo, pre. Ang ginagawa niyo.
May daabot lang kay Corn.
Uy, wala na ako dyan. Bala ko dyan.
Instant ban na tayo dito, eh. Speedrun.
Yeah.
Balls. Okay, I guess it's my
Balls.
turn.
Hero.
Aside from gaming and streaming, since we defaultly have that hobby since we're here as a VTuber, I actually like writing stories. I'm actually a published writer in web novel, and I like to give my editor a hard time by not publishing anything for a long time because it's fun. So procrastination is key, bros. If you procrastinate, you have good ideas. Anyways, aside from that,
Two guys, one cabbage.
Two guys.
Si Gordon Ramsay, si Guy 1000. Also, si Uncle Roger yung sa gitna.
name? I am Uncle Cabbage, and today we are going to review Filipino adobo made by another Filipino. That's wrong ingredients. Put more garlic. Okay na. Pwede na ba yung impression ko? Pwede na. Pwede na sa kulungan, no?
Pwede na.
Pwede na sa kulungan. Si
Possible
Bilibid.
na, sige.
Okay na.
Possible.
Sige, papahuli na ako sa polis.
Hmm.
Anyways, besides writing, I also like researching stuff like paranormal, history, true crime. I like watching true crime, and anime and manga, of course. Defaultly, because we're VTubers, it's a requirement of a VTuber to like anime and manga. If you don't like anime or manga, huh?
Tingnan mo dyan.
Bro, I'm just leaning forward, bro.
Bakit nakatingin ka dyan? Ano meron dyan?
Tingin ako.
Tingnan mo.
Yan.
Grabe, pre.
Guys, may binabasa si Repolyo, guys. Scripted. It's
Wala
scripted.
akong binabasa, pre. Wala akong binabasa.
It's scripted.
May nakalagay sa paa niya?
May nakalagay Ano?
Pare, nawala talaga yung thought ko. Ano
Hindi pa?
sasabihin ko?
Ano?
True crime habang kumain. Yes, I did that before when I was working in the night shift back in few months ago. I would watch true crime in the pantry of my office. While everybody's doing their own business, I'm doing my own.
-5 daw tayo. Oh no.
And also, what else do I like to do? Music. I like music. I always listen to music. As you can see, I have a headphones on. And also, in real life, I always wear headphones wherever I go because I like music and I don't like noise. I get, my head hurts when there's noise. Period.
So do you do you make music?
No. I used to play instruments back in the day, but that was long ago. I probably forgot how to.
Why not now?
Because I like gaming better and writing.
I mean, you could play instruments again,
Been years, bro. Been years. It's actually hold an instrument.
Does anyone in the chat play instrument, by the way? Wag chronically wear headphones. No, hold my head mo sa headphones daw. Hold mo na nga yung ano niya. Uli niya.
Okay na yan. Taga pa ni Repal yun.
What's Hulma? I don't understand.
Yung yung sa may headphone bump ba?
Molding,
Or
yeah.
handphone mold.
Hmm.
Sa head, may parang lubog para sa headphones.
It's okay. My hair is
May
thick.
Taylor one.
My hair is thick. It's okay. Corn can attest to that. Already saw me. No Corn.
Yeah. I saw him give.
But what? Give ano.
Next. Let's go with the next portion. Yeah.
Bawal
Next
sabihin yung
portion.
in-give nyo, no?
Specialty. Ayan.
Yeah,
Ang specialty natin.
Wait, di ba habilin yun?
Streaming specialty.
Streaming specialty.
What do you identify as? What category?
I like if you guys watch my stream, I'm morely like just chatting talaga yung streams ko.
You know.
So although I do play games, but I like just chatting more. I like making my viewers interact with me and play with me, I guess.
Play with you. Ay.
Yeah.
Kasi ba yung sa utak ko?
Also-
Never mind. I have dirty mind. Ayun, just chatting. If you like just chatting
chatting.
and just hanging out, till wholesome stream, go to Corn. How about you, Zerk? Specialty.
Sa akin na mostly yung yung ni-interact ako yung playing with viewers, yung sa kapag may American truck sim kayo or Euro truck sim, pwede tayo mag-convoy. I like doing that, yung trying to immerse myself in trucking, then snow runners. Pwede rin sa Need for Speed yung racing games or recently yung kinuha ko is Farming Simulator. Or sometimes din Valorant or Monster Hunter. We can hunt the Fatalis or Alatrion.
Sometimes daw Valorant to Corn.
Wow.
Sometimes daw, sometimes.
Sometimes yeah.
Sometimes
Yeah,
daw.
sometimes Valorant. Sometimes maybe every day, maybe not.
Sometimes daw,
Yes, kaya kung may kayo, may simulator games kayo.
Okay, my turn. My specialty is
Wait. Repolyo.
What?
I have a question for Zir.
Okay, shoot.
So Zir, have you made
Yes.
someone crazy? When you drive them crazy?
Ang Corn, may naalala ko dyan. Kaso, under current TOS, hindi siya pwede sabihin. Iwan na lang natin din.
Basically,
Yes.
we're gonna get banned if Zerk mentions it.
Yes, it's gonna be Zerk's bro.
Mhm.
It's gonna be Zerk, guys. Actually, no, it's gonna be Repolyo.
What? Why me?
We're gonna blame Repolyo.
If Zerk mentioned it, you'll see tomorrow he's gonna graduate
Zerk
as a
must be a
VTuber. Early graduation.
Huh?
Instant graduation.
Graduate na ako?
If you mention it,
Zir, you're a
probably.
cat though? Is this true?
Next year, graduate na ako.
Next year na ba? Ay,
You know,
congrats in advance, blowout. Ano ba? Ako na ba? Nawala yung train of thought ko, Buisit. Ano sasabihin ko ulit? Buisit.
Specialty since streaming Repolyo.
Specialty tayo ka naman. Nawala yung ano ko, isip. So basically, my specialty is being sus and trash talking. So if you like that content, go to me. That's all. Okay, fine. Aside from trash talking and being sus, I like playing FPS games, battle royale, tactical shooters, and I also like playing from time to time horror games if I feel like torturing myself, which often happens. And aside from that, I also like Japanese RPGs like the Yakuza games, Persona. I do play that from time to time when I feel like it. If I'm burnout in Valorant, you'll see me randomly playing other games. And also, I do, like I said a while ago, I do paranormal investigation streams. I like researching horror and urban legends. Anyways, next. Do you have any more to add? Step Bro 1 and Step Bro 2?
No,
Sorry, I was busy posting.
Oh.
Anyways, yeah, guys, follow Repolyo though. Repolyo is
Follow.
amazing.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm amazing.
And
Praise me
cheers,
more.
Mom.
Praise me more. Do it.
Would you like me to praise you more? Huh?
Yes, daddy. Yes, daddy.
Praise gusto mo.
Okay. Hey, stop pointing at me.
Would you like come here, Repolyo?
No.
Mhm.
No. Fix that core. Flex that core down. Anyways, I guess specialty and talent's the same thing, right? No, not really. Not really. Specialty is what you stream talents.
Talents is different.
Yeah,
Talents is
talents.
different.
Okay, let's go for talents. I cannot think of
Primary
one yet.
witnessing.
Bill.
Buti na naka-headphones ako. Wala pa nga.
Bill. Boys love.
No, it's not BL. It's
Bacon
homie
lettuce.
Taking cares of homie.
Homie love.
It's bromance. Bromance siya, may bromance.
Oh. Someone got caught again. Saya. I think that's about.
It's about best viewers
So,
on. Just kidding.
Talents?
Yeah. I'll
Best
think of-
viewers, we have them. What do you mean?
Yes.
Why would we need more best viewers if we have them already here? Iba chat?
Ay. Next. Talents.
Talents lang.
I have
VTuber that got talent.
yeah. What talent do you have, Corn?
Sumayo.
Sample.
Ano ako sa sayo, pre?
Ginawa ka ni Sir
Sample.
kanina eh. Sample. Kaya pa nga, The Eagle. The Eagle nga. Sige nga, yung Careless Whisper Dance. Spaghetti pababa.
Bumababa ng pababa.
Ayun na, si Jerk nung sumayaw eh.
Teka lang. So, Caesar muna.
Kaya kayo muna kanina ako nung ngayon.
Ay, nawala si Corn. Uy!
Papalit
Kaya
lang
ko
ako.
Repolyo.
Wait nyo, papalit lang ako.
Ano bang talent yan?
Ako?
Mhm.
Annoying people? Maybe? I don't know. What's my talent? I guess I'm good at connecting towards people, I guess.
Connecting.
Connect up eh. Follow us. Like this.
Basta pinasok lang.
Talent, I would say, I guess I like chaining talent. Probably I like chaining things together. You know what I mean? Like investigating, making deductions, all those stuff. Then try to make it relevant to the initial thought. Let's just say investigating. What about you, Zerp?
Yung talent ko, ano ako kasi, let's say na, fluid ako.
What? Fluid?
So I can
What?
passive full fluid say talent ko is yung easy to pick up ako sa stuff.
Di quick learner.
So yes, quick learner ako. Dali ako maturuan. Like yung before I
Wala mga
started
kamizo.
school, hindi ako marunong mag-guitar. Pero nung natapos ko yung first year of school ko, marunong na mag-guitar.
Ayun na, sasayo
Kasi
na
ano
si
yung
Corn.
mga kasama ko
Asa
nag-gitara.
tayo? Okay.
Sasayo na si Corn, no?
Yes.
Ba't kayo tumimik?
Hinintay namin sa iyo, May. Kala ko sasayo ko, pre.
Guys,
Na-admire ka namin.
Hinintay ka namin sa iyo.
Na-admire ka namin.
Ay.
Ano ba?
Hindi pala ako abot kay Corn.
Halata nga din.
Latang-lutang ba?
Paano guitar? Madali
Paano
lang
guitar?
yung A, B, C,
Wala mga
D,
nag-guitar.
F, G. Tapos tugtog ka na kasama yun.
Para mag-guitar? Guitar Hero? Alam mo yung controller ng Guitar Hero?
Meron ako dalawa.
Meron ka pala
Meron din
nun.
akong meron din akong controller para sa drum, yung Rock Band na laro sa PS2.
Grabe.
Wow.
Ano to? Collector gamer.
Marami ako ng
May invisible barrier. Si Repolyo lang daw pwede. Ako lang pa pwede.
Ay, papat ni Repolyo sa
Ay, ay.
kabila. Repolyo sa kanya lang ako.
Oh yeah.
Yan, no?
Oh, yeah.
Yun, dyan ka na lang, Repolyo.
Ay! Okay, okay. Ano to? Ano to? Uy, spicy na to. Oy, oy, oy. May ano ba tayo? Iba naman
Wala
yung...
akong ano eh, wala akong tracking na dito eh.
Sige
Ako
nga.
week to learn.
Sige nga.
Yan.
Si Careless Whisper nga.
Yun lang yun sa'yo.
Corn.
Turu tu 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 turu tu tu. Ay, ay, ala, ala. Yun no, sasayaw na siya, oh. Bigyan ng jacket yan! Literally, kasi hubad siya, eh. Ayan, may jacket
ba?
na siya.
Kaya na, okay na yan.
Okay na yan, pwede na yan. Pwede na
Para may
tayo.
dancing.
Ba't ang laki nyo, pre? Ang late-late ko,
Ayan,
pre. Uy. Ba't na baka Titan?
Ito ba?
Caramel dancing.
Wala pang 6 a.m. a Courtney's time na. Ano to? Preview to.
Preview,
Six-
yeah.
6 ano to? Practice round to. Practice round. 6 o'clock. Bubukas yung Connect Cafe bar. Hindi na Connect Cafe bar. Hindi na Connect Cafe. Connect bar. Connect bar na yan. Oy, 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 bawal yan, oy! Uy! 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 Mapa-plug tayo ng TOS. Uy, bawal yan. Tama na yan. Uy, uy, uy. Grabe kayo. Pre, ibang audience na pupunta dito, pre. Ganun pala kayo, ha? Ganun pala kayo, ha? Ayan.
Corn, tinurn up niya ata tayo.
Wala na ako.
Oh, wala.
Tago siya.
Ay,
Ganun pala kayo, ha?
wala pa siya.
Tago siya, pre.
Tago siya, chat. Wala na, iniwan tayo. Iniwan tayo easier, di ba?
Yeah, I mean, Corn.
Hi guys, hello Zir. Ay, si Zir. Hello Bricks. Wait, ano to? Ano to, Zero? Ano to, Zir?
Lala.
Ginagawa mo, ah.
No.
Balik
Alam
na.
niyo yung meme na ano? Uy,
Bumalik ka na,
Ano?
Repolyo.
bumalik guys. Tang tutak.
Grabe naman yung ano natin dito. Wait, tagnis lang. Pre.
Sad ka na eh. It's inevitable.
Pre, next segment na nga tayo, pre. Tama na to, pre. Mababan pa tayo ng TOS. Pre, oh. Pre. Tama na yan, pre. Kala ko, upload mo to sa YouTube, pre. Bawal to sa YouTube, uy. Grabe yung ano natin, yung kanta natin relax na relax. Tapos yung mga kasama ko dito, iba na yung ginagawa eh. Hindi relaxing eh. Anyways, balik ka na nga,
Anyways.
Corn. Balik ka na.
Oo nga, babalik na ako. Ito na.
Balik ka na, Corn.
Dawat aka, naka R18 na. Parang, hindi ko kasalanan yan. Anong nangyari dyan? Naging multo.
Uy. Uy.
Namulta na si Corn. How is everybody? Ito, confusing.
Kala ko may nakita kong doppelganger.
Wala na yun. It's gone.
Nangyari, pre? Nawala ka?
Hello.
Ala, wala na. Naisip.
Hello.
Uy! Uy! Uy!
Uy! Uy!
Sino yan?
Hi, I'm Repolyo. I'm a bottom. I'm the evil Repolyo.
Grabe naman, pre. Tama na yan. Seryoso na tayo. Papahabang tayo dito sa kalakohan.
Abot tayo ng 3 hours.
Kala ko may lakad ka mamaya. Hindi tayo matatapos dito.
Okay lang, di ba, Corn?
Okay lang.
Sabi, tinitignan ko lang yun sa cellphone eh.
Hi, I'm evil Repolyo. I'm the top Repolyo.
Grabe, may doppelganger na pala ako dito.
Tinitignan ko lang yung laman ng cellphone.
Ay! Ano klaseng debut to, pre? Ano klaseng debut to, pre? Tama na yan, pre. Tama na yan.
Corn.
Corn. Corn.
Corn, come back to us,
Ayan.
Corn.
Apart na tayo.
2 cabbage, 1 zerk. Kala nyo, ako yung pinakasira ulo dito. Si Corn pala, no? Diba si Corn all this time?
Labas ko siya, ilabas ko siya. Corn.
Ay, labas mo nga, labas mo,
Ano,
labas mo.
ano
Ano,
yan?
labas mo, labas mo.
Yan, yan.
Yan,
Lalabas
yan.
mo.
Anong lalabas mo, pre?
Ilalabas to, chat.
Oh, may ay!
Ano yan? Ba't may ba? Nice.
Ang gulo naman ng debut na to, pare. Parang hindi na to debut, Parang ano na to, Bill Simulator,
Uwu daw. Isang uwu daw. Is here.
Wala na, nag-transform
Wala
na siya.
Nag-henshin na ako.
Big Bahuga.
Di ba?
Ano ako? Isa akong camper.
Camper ng,
If you alam yung anime na camper.
Ano yun?
ano yun?
Ano yun?
Hindi nyo alam yung anime na camper.
Hindi,
Yes.
hindi. Ano yun?
Hindi, ano yun?
Hindi nyo alam. Goods,
Ano ba
goods,
yun?
goods.
Hindi, ano yun? Ano ba
Explain
yun?
mo nga in detail.
Anime siya.
Tapos,
Anime
Anime
siya.
siya.
na ano? Ano mong story?
Anime siya.
Anime daw siya. Anime siya. Anime siya.
Grabe naman yun.
Pag gusto nyo lang, panoorin nyo na lang.
Uy, tigil sa ESO.
Okay.
Yes. I guess enjoying pa. I guess enjoying.
Are you guys
Different
enjoying
story.
our chaos na debut na hindi na debut?
Hindi
Chaotic.
kami nakakausog.
As ever.
As ever. Ano nangyari? Kala ko nervous tayo kanina. Ano nangyari? Parang nawala.
Yung
Bakit?
talent
Nawala yung ano na yun.
tao sa pala eh.
Ano ka? Investigation talent. Yan. Maglang ka
Isali
mag-investigate.
pala kayo sa namin Discord server. We have a community Discord server. You guys could join in if you haven't.
Meron na.
Meron na.
Join.
Ayan. Ano bang talent mo, Colonel? Sayaw?
Tapos na. May
Sayaw.
Sayaw,
ba?
kika.
Hindi naman sa'yo ginawa mo. Ano bang ginawa mo? Para ibang klase ano yan,
Yung nakapin siya, bricks.
So who's gonna give us some uwo? 100 beats. 100 beats. 100 beats for uwo.
Kasi kay Repolyo yun. Ooh.
Oy!
Oh.
Ayoko na.
Hindi kasi mod si Zerk eh.
Wait, here! Sayo, Team Ricardo Milos.
Ano ba yung agenda
Wala,
natin? Wala na tayong
Wala kaming
agenda.
ano eh.
Ay, meron pa
Wala
tayong
kaming
agenda.
budget.
Meron tayong
Ano,
pang agenda. Balik ka na, Zerk. Okay,
Next
guys.
segment,
Next.
Next segment.
This is what I've been waiting for. Embarrassing moments. Let's go.
Feel ko si Repolyo maraming embarrassing moment to.
Oh, syempre marami,
Si
pre.
Repolyo.
Sa ganitong attitude ko, syempre marami, pre.
Oh, you know.
Ever
Feel ko
since
si
birth.
Repolyo maraming ano to.
Ano kayang pinaka-best story na pwede ko sabihin sa inyo? Yan yung pinaka-favorite ko na lang.
Labas mo yung Repolyo.
Yung pinaka-favorite ko na ng embarrassing moments.
Labas mo yung Repolyo.
Ano yung lalabas ko?
Yung kwento mo.
Labas mo.
Ay, kala kayo ba yung lalabas ko? Explosion! Ay, ba pala yun?
Take it or leave.
Take it 30
100 pesos.
Dali. Ano,
Christmas.
ano.
Yun lang may kinikonsider akong offer sa...
Sige. 100 pesos pala. Ooh! Ayan na. Saan yung 100 ko?
Ay,
Ginawa ka na. Ooh! Ooh! Pwede na ba? Pwede na ba? Kasi 100 ha? Sabi mo na 100 ha? Abakin ko yan ha? Anyways,
Ano Repolyo?
embarrassing. Ako talaga una.
Embarrassing moment. Let's go.
Anyways,
Let's hear it out.
this was an embarrassing moment from my college days. Basically, I think it was around my 4th year college. Pag-graduate na. So, bali, me and my friends, we'd always like to go to the restroom together. There's nothing dirty yun, ha? You just say, save time, ha? Save time. Kung naihi lahat, pag may naihi saan, naihi na lahat. Ay, wala, hindi dirty yan, friend, hindi dirty. Hindi dirty yun. Normal yun. Ba't ka natatawa lang pag may...
Tama lang naman. Ano ang sinasabi?
So, bali, we would like to go punta sa CR daw, sabay tayo kami umihi. Sound. But that, it is what it is. So, every time my friends na they go umiihi sa may cubicle, I would scream like a hentai character while screaming
Oh
their
my
name. I was like, Yamete. That was name ng friend ko, diba? And
Cringe.
the reason why I'm doing that because I want them to piss themselves, That's the only reason why I'm doing it. And one day, I did the same thing. Yung, Yamete, sabi ko yung friend ko, diba? May pumasok na stranger sa loob ng CR. Then when I saw the stranger, I immediately stopped what I was doing. Tapos, the stranger went in. Tinignan ako ng masama pa rin. Tapos, he already did his business, diba? Wash yan. Tapos, paglabas niya, he still look at me masama. Tapos, paglabas ng stranger, tongto yung mga kasama ko. They say, "Uy, Repolyo, ba't ka biglang tumigil?" I did not talk back. So, bali, ever since then, they cannot stop making fun of me doing that. Kaya, hindi ko na ginawa. I don't want to happen again eh. Hindi ko na repeat. Na-learn na yung lesson ko. Instant pahiya. Holy water.
Repolyo, damn.
I have more though. You want more? Ako lang ba? Ako lang ba?
May ka na lang.
Ano ba
Easier ba?
pwede?
Meron
Meron ako yung during
Ano?
kasi part ako sa school namin nung radio broadcasting.
Oh.
So pumunta kami dito sa different school para doon kasi yung competition. Then naglalakad ako sa labas, kakain sana ako ng lunch. Tapos pinakita ko nakatalikod yung nakaupo is kahabig niya yung isang teammate ko. Tinakpan ko yung mata, sabi ko, hulaan mo kung sino. Yun hindi niya alam. Tapos yung pagkakita ko, nasa likod ko pala yung kasama ko. Hindi ko kagad binitawan yung sa harap. Dahan-dahan lang ako tinignan na mali pala na nasalisi ako. Nasa likod ko yung dapat na kasama ko.
Ay, ginawa ng ginanan mo. Ano ginawa niya?
Ang sama ng tingin sa akin ng buong competition, pre. Halos di na ako makalabas ng kwarto namin nun. Ayoko na lumabas. Ako pa naman yung magbibideo ng mga reporters namin.
Buti di ka kinasuhan.
Hindi naman.
Mantik na?
Teacher yun eh.
Teacher pala.
Teacher pala siya.
Hulaan mo! Okay! Baksak ka nga yan sa ngayon, Sem. Sige nga, mag-back subject ka.
Eh, good thing naman hindi siya sa school ko eh. From different school. Kahapig yun
Wow.
talaga yung yung teammate ko.
Edi babyface pala yung teacher na yan.
Bata pa yung teacher.
Ay.
Fresh out of college yata siguro yun.
Oh.
Tapos ginagana mo lang, no? Tinatakip mo lang yung matan for no reason, no? Ay.
Siyempre, parehas naka white shirt eh. Tapos yung buhok parehas pa ng tali.
Sabi, pre, ano ginagawa mo, pre? Sabi ng kasama mo, na. Mahiya, eh.
Oh my god.
Pre, ano yan, pre? Ano yan? Ano yan? Kilala mo yan, pre? Sige nga, si Corn nga. Tap mo nga
Oo.
si Sir.
Wala, hindi man yun sa akin.
Hindi,
bias.
hindi.
Hindi mo ganun. Pero, ano lang naman sa akin? This happened 2019. Nasa, ano kami nun, SMX
5 years
sa
ago.
MOA.
Ano convention?
So, I was, I'm not sure, ACX ba rin ba yun or ano?
Nandun
sa
ako.
ano? O nasa June na ano.
Nandun ako, ah. Doon din ako, ah.
Anyways. So, I was wearing a cosplay nun. Like, hindi siya yung normal na cosplay lang. Parang armored, ano siya. Like, puro naka-armor, ganun. Parang,
Parang may naalala kong ganun, ah. Anong specific character?
ano ba siya?
Goblin Slayer
Fallout,
ba?
ganun.
Fallout?
Naka. Pero, ang hirap kasi makakita sa, yung, alam niyo yung ano doon, yung parang, buto yung ano niya. Pero kasi, yung kulay gray na ano, sa Fallout, na parang armor, suit guy.
Oh,
Or
no.
if anyone here plays here, ano. Anyways, so, I was wearing an armor that time, so, then naglalakad ako. Yung convention na yun, yung sinasabing convention na yun, meron siyang mga kasamang conventions. So, kumbaga, nasa second floor kami ng SMX. And then, there's another conventions katabi nun.
Alam ko yun, ah. Nandun nga ako, ah. Alam ko yun, ah. I was present that time,
I
ah.
don't know. Maybe.
Yan yung ano,
Pero yun
yung sales sa baba, yung parang may ano, bags.
And then, yeah, may sales sa baba siya.
Oh,
Sa
yan
baba
nga
naman
yun, yan yun.
sales.
Sa taas yung ano,
Tapos, iba naman
ACX.
yung sa taas.
diba? Alam ko.
Anyways, naglalakad ako doon. I don't know, maybe this is not ACX, pero ano rin. Ayun nga. Ako lang mag-isa nun. And that floor was fully packed with people. There's a lot of people there. And it was very hard to move. And while wearing the armor, kasi mahirap siya makita. When you wear that armor, it's very hard to see what you're walking to. Kasi maliit lang talaga vision mo. Super late lang talaga, really. Like, halos parang wala na talaga. Kakapain mo talaga siya. Anyways, naglalakad lang ako. So, hindi my own business. Going back to the convention, by the way. And, di ko na malayan. So, I was walking. It's like, tapos parang, feel ko, ito na yung ano, yung hall, yung papasukan na entrance na ano. So, I went there. And I was wondering, like, iba yung, ano, like, usually, di ba, kasi pag cons, like, I don't know if people went here to cons, but like, when you go to cons, it's usually like, there's like anime music, anime convention na. It's like anime music siya, and then it's super loud. People are like, or like the host is super loud then. Pero when I step inside this convention, I was like, bakit parang tahimik? Parang, tapos yung kanta is like chill lang na ano.
Parang ganito, Bossa Nova.
O parang instrumental na ganun. Parang ganyan.
Kaya
Mas
baka
chill,
music natin
tapos-
na, no?
Super ano lang siya. Everyone was like, I don't know, it's just parang quiet lang na ano, convention. I don't know, ganun. So, ayun, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ako. Kasi yung free entrance pa yun, yung pinasukan ko. So, when I went in, I was wondering like parang iba yung mood. Parang tataka ako. Parang hindi ata pinasukan ko.
Hi, Neris. Welcome to stream.
And I guess I was right. When I took off the helmet, everyone was like looking at me. And yung mga tao, nakasuit sila.
Kasi ka naka-cosplay na.
Oh, that was like, tapos may naglapitan yung iba doon na, kaya pa picture. Pero hindi sila naka-formal sila. Tapos may nasuha ko pala yung wedding convention pala yun.
Tapos ikaw, naka-fall out.
Tumingin ako sa likod ko. Nakita ko yung mga staff na yung nagbabantay sa entrance. Parang tataka din sila.
Ba't di ka sinabihan? Yan, tanong ko.
Hindi, wala yun. Na-shock nga rin sila eh. Parang ano eh.
Ba't may cosplayer pa pasok?
Matras na lang ako.
Sheesh.
Sabi ko, kuya, sorry po kuya. Ayan. Kaya ano yung wedding convention pala pinasubukan ko. Tapos naka-cosplay ako na na ganun.
Malay mo, yan yung susutin mo sa wedding. Di nila alam. Malay mo. Hindi ba?
Ayun. It's very Yo, kinalibutan ako ng nangyari yun. Pero
Learn
kasi
pala
like,
talaga
when you
yun.
wear that, your sight and your hearing, it's very little talaga. Although mapapansin pa rin, pero parang sobrang...
Uy, nag-greet si Pan. Hi, Pan Kun. Welcome.
Uy, si Pankun! Pankun? Pankun?
Ba't walang notification?
Pankun!
Ayan na, meron na.
Ayan na.
Pankun!
Too late
Apa
na.
Pankun? Si Kun
Hi,
pala
Kun.
talaga yung groom.
Welcome to the stream. Welcome everybody.
Welcome everyone to Connect Cafe.
Hello.
Hello. Thank you for the follow. Fair Garden. Ayan na, wala na tayong na. Wala na tayong... Uy, nawala si Cord ah. Uy! Cord?
Hello.
Cord?
Hi.
Uy, may... Among Us. May Among Us dito.
Imposter.
Grabe,
Patay niya,
imposter.
Hi guys, I'm
Tinapay.
Pankun.
Ayos pala pagkagawa ko kay Pankun na.
How was...
Binibigyan ka ni Cor ng pansin.
How's your stream?
May Among Us. Sus,
Repolyo and Zir.
Red
How's your
Sus.
stream?
Red Sus.
I was
Grabe.
playing Dead by Daylight earlier. Naglalaro pala akong Dead by Daylight earlier. So, yun, nakita ko kayo, nag-stream pala yung debut nyo.
I'm pretty sure Pankun doesn't sound like that.
Di ba ganun yun?
Hindi ba malayo. Identify
Identify
yan, pre.
daw.
Identify. NetEase version. NetEase version, pre. NetEase.
Ayoko na. Fail. That was a fail.
Guwapo, boss, ng Pankun. Ay. Guwapo no Pankun, guwapo.
Di ba gwapo si Pankun syempre?
Siyempre.
Di ba Pankun?
I blush.
Pankun sama.
Ayun na. Embarrassing moments ni Korn.
Ayun, tapos na. Okay na.
Embarrassing
Pero
moment
ako
ni
ng
Korn.
stream.
Korn went to the wrong hole wearing a cosplay. TLDR. Okay guys, his family-friendly channel guys. Sabay ganun.
Yeah.
Nakakalagan there were yung
Welcome
boses ni
to
Pankun.
Cafe. We
Welcome.
are the VTuber group.
Team
So-called Connect
C.
Cafe. We are gonna be connecting you guys,
So,
our lovely guest, to our Repolyo.
what by me? ano? Repolyo na ano.
Yes.
Ako yung inano mo na agad eh.
Anyone, everywhere. I mean, everywhere. Everyone, go check out Pankun and give Pankun a huggy.
Give Pankun all the love and
Yeah. Love
affection.
niya siya.
Love.
Tama,
Kiss,
tama.
kiss, kiss.
Yeah.
Ay, iba na yun. ASMR na yun, ASMR.
Thank you, Pankun. Thank you, Sarit, talaga. Oh, and did you call that Cornell?
Kay Love and Money po, thank you. Ay, Love and Money.
Ayun no, tama.
Give bits to Pankun.
Give bits, guys. Give bits.
Beats. Subscribe to
Give
Pankun.
bits. Yung pineapple. Give
Better,
bits.
10 gift subs.
Grabe naman.
Ala!
Ars Nova, thank you for the follow.
Oy, si Ars Nova. Hello, Ars Nova.
Grabe guys.
Welcome,
Thank you
welcome.
sa follow, everyone. Follow nyo yung Connect Cafe, guys. Follow us. So you guys can tune into Connect Cafe's shenanigans like this one right now.
Yes, this is
Just
not a
gonna
debut
enjoy a
anymore.
lot.
This is just
Yeah.
chatting already. Ano ba na natin?
Diba? Pupunta kay Xir.
Lumayo ko.
Lumapit ka sa akin.
Hindi ako makalayo. Grabe naman yun.
Yan, John.
Nilumulapit ako sa'yo, ayun.
Hindi, lumalayo ko kay Korn. Balik.
Hindi, lumulapit ka sa akin. Dinahilan mo pa si Korn eh.
Oh, Savagad, welcome.
Wala ka pa yung
naman.
dahilan, Korn.
Savagad is a foreigner, by the way.
Oh, sorry. I speak dollars now.
Hey.
I'm hard. Ay, sorry. Wrong.
That's mine.
Oh, that's yours.
I'm hard. Are you hard?
I'm hard.
Would you guys like me to make you hard?
Ay, iba na yun, pre. Iba na yun, pre.
I mean,
Yes.
hard, like,
Yes.
ayoko na.
Ayoko na. Okay, next. Eto,
Next.
kaya ba
Next.
Kaya ba natin to? Kita mo na yung screen ko,
Q&A?
di ba?
Okay, let's go there. Okay, so everyone,
Yeah.
I'm gonna be hunting this one. So, now that you guys heard about us,
Ay, pre.
you guys have-
Tala muna, pre. Lipat muna
sure.
tayo.
Please.
Lipat muna tayo sa Q&A. Para mas mukhang official.
Siya.
Tara.
Oh, okay. Look at this, everyone. Henshin!
Diba?
Ah,
Diba? Lipat
Diba?
tayo.
claps
Oo
to our
naman.
Repolyo. Repolyo made everything from the layouts of this
Yes, me. Cabbage.
Layout.
Nice to meet you.
models. Itayo may budget, syempre.
Libre lang yan, pre. Walang
Connect
budget.
to everyone. This is what you're gonna be seeing here from then on.
Our podcast.
Well,
This is our
We have
podcast
another
set.
one. Yeah. But everyone, look at this, everyone. Isn't that cool, chat? Yeah, look at this. Look at this. We have at the screen at the back. It's actually
Yes.
cool.
That's where our chats will
Yeah.
go.
Yan na din.
As you can see, we have a
Ano
tumbler, shaker. Each member
Laki
have
ng
their own
bag.
shaker. Laki ng budget.
Diba?
Binabasa ko lang yung nasa monitor.
Zerk, ang ginagawa mo sa upuan, Zerk! Bawal yan, Zerk!
Binabasa ko yung monitor.
Zerk, ano ginagawa mo sa upuan?
Binabasa ko yung chat. Gusto ko ba
Because
sa'yo?
you're ginagawa. Uy! Bubo ka dyan.
Seatbelt yan, seatbelt yan, seatbelt.
Seatbelt. Lagyan mo ang seatbelt.
Grabe naman yun.
Hindi na mag-set. Pupunta nga lang ako dito.
Hirap yung tumblers. Sino ni Repolyo, di ba?
Nandiyan naman sa
materials.
Discord, kunin mo na lang.
Ayun sa materials.
Sa
Ano
materials.
siya?
Ilagay ko lahat for each members.
Mm-mm. Yan.
Naka-protein shake. Ano to? Gamer Subs? No, Cafe Subs. Cafe Subs. Connect Cafe Subs. Diba? CC
Diba,
Subs.
guys?
C-Squared Subs.
It's, by the way,
Yeah.
this is gonna be available in the future. Actual, ano ba tawag dito? Tumbler or shaker?
Shaker ba?
Protein shakes.
Yan. So we're gonna get someone to make it. Yan. So guys can buy it.
Ay.
Diba?
Pwede. No problem yan. It's yours.
How much is it? This is gonna cost.
10 subs.
Actually,
Joke lang.
Good question.
10 subs. Joke lang.
Diba? Because okay, so like in Connect Cafe, we plan to have a merchandise store, at some point in the future where you can buy merchandise of our group members or connectors.
Mhm.
So, by the way, so like when you buy it, the profit from it goes to the group funds. So, yeah, it helps us a lot growing the group when you support us that way.
Yes! Yes! Support us! Yes! Buy your
Yes.
merch! Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification
Yes,
buttons so you
Yung
won't
may
miss a
ano mo?
thing. What?
Is that the YouTube redeem?
YouTube. YouTube redeem ba? YouTube? Hindi pa, hindi pa.
YouTube redeem.
Ay, may tanong daw si, ano,
Wait,
Si-
last question. Last question.
you know, nauna na si, si Bricks.
Okay. For Zaddy number 2, who's that?
Me.
Or,
Me.
what's the story behind the name Repolyo?
Basically, Repolyo's not my. It's not originally not my VTuber name. Repolyo's actually my pen name as an author sa Wattpad dati. Lumipat ako sa web novel. So basically, I was a author first before I became a VTuber. I just reused my VTuber name, my author name, for my VTuber name and other games just to be consistent. As to why Repolyo, I was making a joke that time in Wattpad. I wanted to stand out in Wattpad, so I named myself Repolyo for cabbage. Then there's a thing called the Wattpad thread dati. Na people just post threads there like Reddit. So what I do is I go to random threads and I would invade it and try to convert people to my fake religion called cabbageism. And that's how I became infamous. The website. I'm just trying to convert people to my fake religion and making them read my stories by doing that strategy. Ayun.
Oh.
Ever since then, I used the name Repolyo, and until now, I'm still using it.
Wow.
Became consistent na.
Wow.
Throughout all the games I play, I always name my character Repolyo na din. But I used to have a different name before, but I think this name suits me better. Ayan, that's my
Thanks.
origin.
Yeah.
Next
question, everyone. Who's how much for fan sign? Sabi niya. By Kum Blasters.
10 gift subs.
Bro. Bro.
How much nga eh? 10 gift subs.
Give subs for bricks lang.
For bricks lang, 10 gift subs. Ayan. Next question, visually. How about visually?
Why Connect Cafe pala?
Shoutout visually
this
muna.
question again. Why Connect Cafe? TLDR na lang. TLDR. Hello?
Sino bang sasagot?
Huh?
What?
Ikaw ko ikaw.
Do you want to answer ba?
Yung Y Connect Cafe?
Ayun.
Like ano ba to yung why did I choose Connect Cafe? Ganon?
Why Connect? I guess they're visually saying about the name. Like, why is it Connect Cafe?
Oh, bakit Connect Cafe yung name? So, like sabi nga ni Repolyo earlier, I'm just gonna take it, is yung connect is to connect with people, and then yung cafe, so gusto namin yung vibes namin is yung may pagka-cafe vibes, chill and relaxing siya.
Apparently, we're doing a bad job with that. Chill and relax. We're always
Yeah.
chaotic.
Pure chaos.
We're just pure
much more
chaos.
Dapat connect barkada.
Connect Barkada.
There's lots of cafe naman eh. May mga BDSM cafe sa Japan. Search it if you're
Yo, no, not that one. Okay.
It's pure
I
chaos.
don't talk about other cafes, okay? There, we stay with Connect Cafe.
Wait lang. Ano naman si Cornolet?
Yeah.
Si Brixolet. For Zaddy number 3 daw, why VTuber name Corn?
Okay, so Corn.
Nga, bakit?
Lore-wise ba or kung bakit Corn yung pinili ko?
I think yung name mo, bakit Corn? Bakit ka nagland sa Corn?
Kasi may lore. They're like lore.
Bakit mo napili mismo? Why?
Okay, so why Corn? I like I guess just I like corn. Yun lang yung ano ko doon. Like yung I enjoy eating corn. Pwede ako sa corn.
Ayun lang pala.
Pwede ko. It's one of my favorite foods.
Ay. Hindi like,
Tapos ginawan ko siya ng story na about corn, being corn maru. So, tada,
saan galing Maru?
maru. Yung maru kasi maru means a circle in Japanese ano siya. So,
Corn circle.
yeah, corn circle. And yung corn circle na yun, it also like it means yung ano, yung form ko dati. Kasi it's kind of lore, parang lore ano siya. So basically, right now I'm a wrestler corn. Pero tinik ko pa rin yung corn maru kasi it sells. Or right now, my new nickname is now a cornis.
Pre,
The corn.
Cornies.
pre, basahin mo yung sinabi ni Hana, pre.
Wait, what is it? Wait, what is it? Where? Saan ba?
Pinakababa.
Corn like sitting himself. Well, if you think about it, real life, yeah. I guess I'm
Ay,
eating my corn.
real life. Ay. Check it out.
Cannibalism.
Cannibalism. Just the running joke, yeah.
Check it out in Only Corns.
For Zaddy number 1, how do you see yourself in the future with Connect Cafe?
Ay, naging interview na to. Sige nga.
Sino yan ako?
Oh, ikaw.
Go.
Ito medyo out of the blue yun ah. How do you see yourself in the future?
Wala pa.
Kaya
I
mo
see
yan,
myself
kaya mo
as
yan.
ano.
Pwede ka mag-pass
medyo.
kung gusto mo.
Kaya mo
Sasagutin
yan.
natin yan.
Kaya mo yan.
Sasagutin natin yan. I
Go,
see
dali.
myself as yung ano. Ito yun, yung marami na akong makakasama makalaro, then marami na kaming connect. Yung makakabuo na tayo ng mga proper circle where people can interact with each other.
Tama,
You know,
tama.
without yung by feeling safe with us and without worrying about others. Other
Wow.
stuff.
Love and
Very
peace, everybody. Love and peace. Maway
Let's go.
mawik
Love and
yun.
peace. Love and peace, everyone.
I'm peace.
Love and peace.
Peace. Peace lang.
Peace, peace.
Walang love, peace. Anyways, ano natin dito?
Wait, mas ka na dyan, shoo.
Jamitar, how you can be. Mamaya.
Core, ay, Triple yan, titignan mo dyan.
Titignan ko yung chat, bro. Titignan ko yung chat. Binabasa ko yung
Titignan mo
sinabi.
yun.
Nusog ka nga dun, Core, nusog ka. Masyado siya lumalapit sa'yo, Core, eh.
Creep
Or,
also.
binabasa ko tayo. Boys.
Ito nga ako.
Pero binabasa ko yung kanya.
Ano tinitignan mo dyan?
Yung sinasabi ni Bricks. Sige, gamitin ka lang yung
Dito,
phone ko.
Core.
Gamitin ka lang yung phone
May
ko.
papel dito sa ilalim.
Oh, Zerk, you're making it worse?
May papel sa ilalim, Core.
Ang klaseng
Bala kayo dyan.
podcast
Bala
to.
kayo dyan. Siso ako.
So, sabi ni, Bricks, for everyone to answer, if you were able to make on a cafe into a real cafe, what would be the concept design? How would you advertise it to the people? Okay, planning manager Corn. Let's go, CO Corn.
Okay.
CO Corn, you answer this.
I think this is I think I would just answer about this for everyone na lang kasi ito rin yung naging idea ko. So maybe in the future once Connect Cafe became out there talaga, we have plans, we have think about building an actual Connect Cafe like
HQ.
ano siya, yeah, na cafe, parang coffee ganun. Coffee
Ano yung mga
cafe.
maid cafe?
Yeah, parang ganun. Yeah.
Pero naka-cosplay as us.
Kasi there's if you look at Philippines, okay, so there's not much or it's very few talaga yung anime related stores or services sa Pinas ng ganun. Yung Comic Alley nga nawala eh.
Andyan pa rin.
Diba?
Anong sabang wala? Andyan pa rin.
Alam mo ba?
Andyan
Alam
pa.
ko wala na eh.
Andyan.
Yung physical store.
Andyan.
Alam ko wala na eh.
Selected places lang meron.
Yeah, pero hindi kasi dati marami talagang Comic Alley, ganun.
Ay,
But
lugi
let's
na
say,
eh.
meron din maid cafe dati, actually. Pero, hindi siya na sumikat, kumbaga. Parang nagsado rin. And right now, yung pinakasikat ngayon is yung Aniporium Cafe. It's not really sikat pa rin. Like, maybe a lot, not much a lot people knows it. So, we plan in Connect Cafe, which parang naging concept na rin ng Connect Cafe right now, is a cafe na na-disconnect ako. What?
Hindi, Jita ka pa.
Hindi ka na-disconnect ang
Okay.
dyan ka pa, huwag ka magalala.
So, ayun, Connect Cafe. So, we'll be able to like, yun, anime team ano siya, specifically VTuber related team siya na parang ganun. So, when you go there, we're gonna have like, people be like, welcome back! Or ganun. Usually like, yung ginagawa sa mga cafe na service people.
Okairi. Okairi.
Kaya rin nasa. Pero, siyempre, Pilipino tayo. Diba?
Okairi. Eh, pag Filipino version.
Pwedeng stay pa rin. Di ba kasi yung mga Japanese na, Irashimasu rin sinasabi.
Habang Philippine version natin.
Sige, yun na lang siguro. Stay na lang tayo dun sa ano.
Welcome to Connect Cafe. How may I take your order? O, diba?
Kahit gano'n na lang, no?
Okay, sir. One
Welcome
large
back, Master.
fries, one large steak, and 2 corn marrow pudding. Is that right, sir? Ma'am? Okay,
Diba?
please wait a moment, please. I will be processing your order. Joke lang.
So, yeah, in the future, pinag-usapan na namin kasi ni Repolyo. Si Repolyo, by the way, this Repolyo is the founder of Connect Cafe. I'm the co-founder. Tapos si Hana is our guidance counselor.
Guidance counselor talaga.
HR. Tapos si Dark, by the way, big shout out to these people, by the way, yung masasabi ko. Si Dark yung general manager ng Connect Cafe. And then we have Bricks. Si Bricks yung moderator, group moderator. So, right now, yung pa lang yung namin, workforce. Pero,
Tama si Red.
si Red, busy si Red, pati, yun, siguro, server artist, si Red, yun. Yun.
Si Seri.
Pero,
Si Seri.
yun. Si Seri, server artist talaga yun.
Mhm.
Kasi si Red kasi, ano yun siya, manager ni Hana. Pineapple. So, ayun, so maybe in the future maririnig niyo yung balita na may actual Connect Cafe na we're actually
Kumain si
researching.
Jimmy.
Researching Jimmy. We've been researching lately how to do something like that. Make it possible in a sense. So, ayun.
Kaya.
Yun yung thing. For advertisement, yun naman. Sinabi ko na nga parang if you are anime fan or VTuber specifically fan, you can go to Connect Cafe and chill out. Diba?
Basta, abangan nyo. Connect Cafe. Cafe sa umaga, bar sa gabi. It's gonna be a reality, pre.
Pwede rin.
Si Repolyo mag-handle ng pang night time.
May dungeon ako ready
Right,
para
right,
dyan.
tama. Ayun, meron din pala yung sa, sa Recto, yung Otakit. Yun,
Akala ka
Otakit.
cornice.
Yun.
Otak yun.
Nagiging
Sarap ba yun?
siya. Meron siyang event na parang cosplay.
Asan sa recto yun?
Parang, yun. Pinunta ko yung dati. It's nice. Parang anime convention siya, pero, or rather, cosplay convention, pero nightclub. Ganun.
Ha?
Yung dating.
Wait, what?
Parang,
Wait, what? Anime convention pero night.
I mean,
What?
dance something, ganun. Parang,
Para siyang
how do I explain it? May DJ, ganun.
Nightclub na
Nightclub.
anime team.
Tapos may,
party.
ganun.
You know? Ano bang, ano nga yun?
Tapos may
Abali.
nagsaserve sila ng alcohol. Tapos may mga nag-vape doon, ganun.
Ew, vape?
Yan. Diba? Anyways,
Vape.
so much for that. Connect Cafe Aliwan.
Si visually muna daw, job interview.
A job interview. How
will
will
you
you contribute to the company?
Ako na nasasagot yan.
Oh my.
Saray na ako sa
Founder.
interview. Usapan niyo sa interview. I will contribute to
Hi,
the
Chok.
company by getting a higher position in the job, doing my best to contribute to the production side of the company, and make sure that the production goes very well. And I would declare world dominance and domination. Please join our Connect Cafe army. We have free cookies, shake, and anime husband and waifus.
Ba't
You're all
alam mo yung
welcome.
tungkol sa world
Join
dominance?
us. Why not?
Why not?
Why not?
Di,
Alam mo
di
yung
ka ba
plano ko,
nag-wish nun?
bakit?
Don't you
Alam mo yung plano
ever
ko.
don't you ever
Ba't alam mo yung secret plan ko?
secret plan pala, edi ano ka pala,
Hindi kasi
Pumasok ka sa kwarto ko, no?
spy ka, spy.
Pumasok
Lahat
ka sa
tayo,
kwarto
ano,
ko.
lahat tayo may plano mag-world domination.
Grabe naman yun. Next is
Yes.
Connect Cafe Aliwen. So siguro this is related to kailan ba tayo magpapatayo ng cafe. I would say far future, not that far future. As long as this group we have become big and
Stable
famous.
talaga.
Stable na, tapos meron na kaming monetary income talaga for this group.
Kasi
Papatayo
right now,
yung
we
cafe.
need
We need money, bro. Please 10 subs and 100 bits. Thank you.
para mag-back.
Please subscribe.
Ako to. Anime dance kapag gabi sa cornice.
Oh, yes. May anime ba yung dance ba sa
Si Corn
cornice?
na ang bahala dyan. Si Corn na ang bahala dyan.
Sige, sige. Well, what would you say your advantage is over competing groups and cafes?
Grabe
to
to si
Bricks?
Bricks, ah.
Grabe
Bricks,
yung
kaya-
tanong ni Sako
Uy,
ni
dapat
Bricks.
ikaw taga-interview talaga ni Bricks eh.
Siya na yung
Alam mo,
HR
Bricks,
natin.
pinapakita mo na yung skill mo.
Pre.
Okay na yan, Bricks. Ano, Corn?
Pre. Sa next Gen 1 audition, dapat kasama natin si Bricks mag-interview, pre. Galing magtanong to eh. So, kasama natin to si Bricks.
Taga-interview.
Kita ka ng talent mo, ha?
Taka-interview yan.
By the way, if anyone since Gen 1, kasi right now we are Gen 0. So first generation kami, or rather Gen 0, Generation 0 ng Connect Cafe. Pero sa Gen 1, we're gonna implement a new rule on people going to Connect Cafe or joining Connect Cafe. We are gonna be having audition. Audition based na siya. Hindi na siya yung parang, uy, invite ka nun.
Yeah, pero I would sa tanong ni Chris kanina, what advantage do we have? Other competing groups in cafe. I would say competing VTuber groups. I would say the vibes, since we're going for the cafe vibes. We want everybody to be comfortable and relaxed despite being chaotic at times. Ayan. I want to connect with the audience. I kasi the difference of yung viewer ka lang tapos viewer na may parang connected with the streamer. That's the type of vibes we want to go for. Bali, comfy, wholesome vibes kahit sira ulo kami. And I would say another advantage would be kasi I would say closeness, yung friendship ng each member ng group. I would say yan yung advantage natin kasi majority ng mga VTuber group, usually they're in a group pero they're on their own. You know what I mean, right? Mga talents.
Sila
And dito tayo, hindi tayo ganun. We actually help each other. And we'll do collabs and all the stuff. And we also do offline stuff together for the fun of it. And yung difference namin sa ibang groups. Anyways,
friends, kayo may plan mag-send ng cafe?
Yung parang boot yan, Corn.
hindi. Actual cafe.
Okay. Sa events, kayo may plan mag-set ng cafe? Hindi yung cafe. Like, we can't do that. Wala na kasing ganun talaga.
Need a problem.
Dati uso yun, mid cafe sa Ozen. Pero,
Uso pa rin yan, kala mo.
di na ano yun eh.
Uso
Di
pa
na-
rin yun.
Parang,
Uso pa rin.
no bro.
Yes.
Wala na yun, pre. Wala na.
Meron.
Pre.
Meron.
I know this.
Niwala ka kay Corn.
I know this, man. I wish Uso pa yun. Okay.
Pambansang pagagala ng mga cosplay events yan.
Sabi nga ng kaibigan ko pumasok siya ng may cafe, nakangiti, paglabas, nakasimangot
Bus na yung pala.
Hindi niya na-enjoy. Walang mawimawik yun.
Pero we plan to boot up. Yun, boots.
Boots, merch, probably, siguro mas standy na rin, kasama na rin yan.
Yeah, Sandy.
And yung mga, actual VTuber na screen na greeting the people.
Yeah.
Yung usual VTuber
Laptop.
group.
If you could live in a game, which game would it be?
Palworld.
Palworld?
Because I can get away with crimes. That's why. Easily.
Ako, ATS. Gusto ko mag-drive ng truck. Sa Euro truck ako.
He likes trucks, guys.
Pre. Pwede naman na simula ngayon, pre. Pwede mo na simula ngayon. Hindi ka na ng
Wala
game,
pa,
pre.
Mag-iipon pa ako. Bibili ako ng steering wheel ko para fully immersed tayo.
Hindi, pre. Totoong buhay mo na, pre. Totoong buhay. Hindi mo na kailangan.
Ayoko, pre. Wala ako lisensya.
Dali lang yan, pre. Recto lang yan. May lisensya ka na, pre. Recto.
Paano yung truck?
Ang truck?
Saan ako?
Pre,
sponsor mo ba?
Hindi, pre. Sa kapitbahay.
Thank you sa sponsor.
Pre, sa kapitbahay, maraming truck, pre. Kailangan mo lang kunin sa gabi pang hindi wala yung may-ari.
Sa recto? Very dangerous place.
Okay,
Daming na nga dun.
si Car naman. Touch Game World daw. Game World. Saan mo gusto want to live in?
Live in ba? Kala ko live.
Live in. Anong live?
Okay.
Live.
Ano?
As in, tira.
Kala ko kasi if you all could live in a game.
Siyempre, Necopara Boys Cafe.
Collab tayo. Ganun.
No, Corn. Necopara Boys Cafe. Let's go.
Sure, sige.
Joke lang. Ano bang game world na you want to live in?
If Connect Cafe would open in another country, which country would you choose?
That's a nice answer. Kung magano tayo,
Ooh.
we will have another branch in another country.
Branch ba?
Branch nga, yun na
Australia,
yun.
no?
Bakit
I
Australia?
would like Japan.
I would like Japan
And
too.
with Connect Cafe JP, let's go.
How about Connect Cafe
That would be so good.
Ian? Technically, we are already English branch, di ba?
Yeah, Ian.
Since
PH.
we're
Connect Cafe
bilingual.
PH.
Connect Cafe
Pero
Ian.
kung Connect Cafe Ian, it's more
Una na
like...
ako sa Japan, ako na mag-manage ng Japan branch.
Ay, wag na, pre. Hindi kita kilala, pre. Ay.
Ay.
Hindi kita, I don't believe in you, pre.
Grabe.
Punta Japan next year. Doon ako magtrabaho. Pala ko.
Ay.
Oh.
Bigyan mo ko ng
nagtagal
chocolate,
na-
ha?
Hindi na, ayaw mo eh. Si Corn na lang. Papadala ko na linggo-linggo si Corn.
Ay,
Ay,
ayaw mo sa
grabe.
akin. Iyak
Isang
na
chocolate
ako.
kada linggo.
Iyak na ako.
Grabe.
Hindi, ayaw mo eh. Sabi mo, ayaw mo eh.
Joke lang.
Wala ko
joke
dyan,
lang.
wala ko nalaman dyan. Wala ko dyan.
Anyways, yun nga, Japan branch would be nice. Pero malakas
Indonesia
yung...
branch.
Indonesia. Malakas yung VTuber sa Indonesia. English branch, in general. Like Europe, Canada, Australia. Ayun, Japanese, Philippines, Indonesia, English.
Would be nice, yeah.
Yeah. Pag Singapore, ano ng Singapore branch?
Pwede naman.
Technically, they are English too, di ba? Technically.
If we can go out there, we go out there.
Ayan.
Let's make Connect Cafe, everyone.
Gusto mo, Portuguese branch. Because why not?
Portuguese branch?
Why not? Portugal.
Oh.
Para Europe.
Pwede ba?
Anyways.
Ano yun siguro? Ano yun?
Ano yung nagsakat mo eh.
Thank you guys for your questions.
Pare.
for other bits.
Yes, thank you all for the questions and for the fun stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So, moving...
Anything
Anything else ba? May last question ba? Meron bang
May pahabol kayo? You're welcome,
Pahabol na
Zaris.
pahabol.
Thank you, Bricks.
6 na. Baka sa...
Okay, so let's go straight to the announcement then before we end.
Announcement na.
May announcement
na
free?
tayo. Siyempre may announcement tayo.
Announcement?
Oo. since this is the last debut natin, Team C, tayo mag-announce kasi next week hindi na debut series mode na tayo eh. You'll see lots of content and stuff, streams here in this channel. So first in the chopping block, announcement natin schedule. Just Chatting with Corn, which is Monday, August 5, 3 p.m. So if you wanna see Corn chat, dito kayo sa Panag Cafe. 3 p.m. Don't forget. Ba't lumalaki tong kasama ko dito nangyari? Naging
Pare
giant.
proportionate konti yung Mike.
Ay.
Lumalapit lang ako, tinitignan ko sila eh.
Next, chopping block, syempre, Connect and Chill podcast. The first episode will be Friday, August 9, 7 p.m. Pero hindi definitely 7, baka ma-possible moving time slot because, malay natin bumagyo ulit. And eto, yung gagamitin nating studio. This is actually Chill and Connect Studio, the what you're seeing right now. I just wanna show it off. First host, tayo.
Yes,
Corn. Corn and Zerk. Me, Corn and Zerk will be the first host of Connect Cafe.
You get to see
Connect
us
and
again.
Chill. You get to see us
Yes,
again
sir.
next week. Which is, again, Friday, August 9, 7 p.m. Philippine Standard Time, by the way. UTC plus 8. Every schedule sasabihin ko dito right now is all UTC plus 8. And next is my own podcast. I don't call it podcast. I think I just call it investigation stream. Cabbage Juice will be moved here to Connect Cafe. And the first episode of the Connect Cafe version will be on next week, Sunday, August 11, 7 p.m. UTC plus 8. So, if you guys like horror or urban legends or mysteries, tune in next week. And for our what we'll do in the future, we have planned to make a community game stream. Basically, viewers can join in us when we play games. Maybe Gus Gus Duck or Gartic Phone will be a nice community game or words on stream. So stay tuned to Connect Cafe News. Follow us on Twitter for more information and future updates. And we have group collab, of course. Since we're a VTuber groups, we will have group collab specific Connect Cafe. And first, we'll either do Jackbox Party first or Gus Gus Duck. As for the date, they'll be pending right now since we're trying to organize a optimal date for every member to be present. Valorant X Connect Cafe custom when? I would say one of the future plans. I would say. The thing about Valorant though, it's because not everybody in the group plays Valorant actually. Just like a handful of us, which is me, Zerk, Korn, Nemo, Ayasha. There, we play Valorant. The rest, I don't think they do. Shiro plays Valorant. Noir, do you play Valorant, Noir? Do you want that? Connect Cafe Valorant collab, custom game. Just us. Anyways, I can play if there's someone with me. Oh, there we go. I guess we can. It's possible. It's
Hindi
possible.
mo kami ni-invite, Nor. Invite mo kami, ah.
Yeah, Noir. Invite
mo
us.
ako. Invite mo ako.
I have been
Hannah.
forgotten. Oh, Hannah plays
Invite mo
Valorant.
ako.
Sorry. Hannah plays Valorant. I guess we can have Connect Cafe Valorant custom game come someday. I'll try to organize that since I've organized something like that before. Also, Gus Gus Duck is a nice game. You'll see us lie and betray each other. Because we can. Imagine forgetting Zepinia. Ay, sorry na. Sorry na, maglo na isip ko. Gutom na ako. 6 o'clock na ako. It's time to eat dinner. Ayun, Jackbox Party. Isa pa. Which will be hosted by our residential ballerina, Nemo. We're still waiting on the optimal schedule for that. The local opinion to, ay wala na. Uy, sorry na.
Pampunusin ni si Hannah sa'yo.
And
Wala
next,
kasi.
we have... Ano to yung sinabi mo? Group member tournament? Corn? Ano ba to? Tayo-tayo lang or
Yeah.
kasama na viewers
Time
yun?
group tournament.
Tayo-tayo lang to?
Tayo lang. Yeah.
Oh, Bali. We'll be having a group member tournament. Connect Cafe. So, as for the games, we're gonna play either Battleship, Tic-Tac-Toe, Rock, Paper, Scissors, so on. Yeah, stay tuned for the news and updates in our Twitter page. So, I guess that is all for the announcements. Any closing remarks? Step Bro 1, Step Bro 3?
Yes.
Hi.
Everything
Closing
is
remark,
so good.
closing remark, closing remark.
Closing remark.
Yes.
Closing remark.
Closing remark.
Closing
Closing
remark.
remark.
Closing remark.
Remarking closing.
Remark.
What do you want to say to the viewers?
Yun na yun. Thank you everyone sa pagpunta. Thank you all for coming.
Coming?
Chilling come. Oh.
Sorry. They drank too much coffee. Anyways, so basically, our main programs would be for this Connect Cafe channel would be just chatting with Corn, Cabbage Juice, and Connect and Chill podcast. For Connect and Chill podcast, it would be different members will be the different hosts. So depending on the availability of the members, they will be standing here. So stay tuned. Next week, Friday, the first ever Connect and Chill podcast. Featuring Step Bro 1, 2, and 3. Basically us, Team C. Twitch band speedrun. Closer yung mic
Yes.
daw. Anyways, that is all for Team C debut and announcement. Oh my god, what happened to you? Parang na-hit ka ng radiation blast ah.
Ako din.
Grabe, ikaw naman, naisikay tapos na-fail, tapos naging multo. Dinangga ng truck.
Magiging ako yung liwanag ng buhay niyo.
May wanang boy. Grabe. Uy, pre. Uy, baka may ano tayo dito. Light sensitive people. Huwag ganun. Huwag ganun, pre. Hindi natin alam. Kasuhan pa tayo niyan. Anyways, let me see. Are we eligible to raid people? Tingnan na, account page natin si Connect Cafe.
Everyone, thank you for following. Thank you for following Connect Cafe, and hope you all enjoyed today's debut, our debut Team C, and hope you all look forward to our more streams in Connect Cafe. Follow if you haven't.
I
Consider
think
following.
we can raid. 30 days na eh. So who should we raid ba?
So it's 1 month anniversary para din today, no?
May
Sino
ano ba
pa
tayo?
kapunta?
Connect Cafe members live
Let's
ngayon?
ask the people. Let's ask the people. Our guests.
Okay, our guest. Who do you want us to raid?
As of our closing.
Yes. What he said.
Yes,
Everyone give,
do we read?
everyone give in the chat who you want us to raid, so we can check them out. Give them the the Connect Cafe love.
Arasunova? Meron daw si Arasunova.
Go. Go ahead. Okay, let's see if it's gonna work. Popstarl. Hey, what's a raid message? Bala na? Connect Cafe invade? Let's go.
Let's get connected. Ganun.
Pabili po.
Let's get connected.
Ah.
All done. Okay, let's see if we can raid. Okay, we can raid. Okay, let's go to the closing screen. Let's go to the closing screen. Bye-bye. Closing screen. Closing screen. Let's go.
Closing screen, everyone.
See you all
Tune in
next
and
week.
Come join our raid, everyone.
Follow our Twitter for more
Follow
news. Join
our
Discord
YouTube, by the
server.
way. Discord server
Bye-bye.
and our TikTok. Everyone.
Bye-bye.
Peace. Dapat yung ending na natin parang impress.
Wala na,
Ayun,
pre.
parang news.
Naring tayo, ah. Naring tayo, ah. Off ka na yung mic.
Bye-bye.